cause. I'm a cosplayer. I use they them pronouns and I'm a minor. Today I'm going to be talking about how I make fake fangs with braces, because all of the tutorials online are using those like Instamorph thermoplastic bead things, and they're really cool and really good. But if you have braces, they like rip out your brackets, which is not cool and good, in my own opinion. I don't know, if you want to rip out your brackets, then yes, I would recommend those. Sorry, I'm still catching my breath after running up a flight of stairs. But basically, all I use is dental wax. I'm gonna cover up the back of that because it actually has where I live on it, which is pretty quirky. Okay, basically, this is like the little strip of dental wax. If you have braces, you should be familiar with it. If you're not, ask your dentist for dental wax. It's about my dog wants to get in. Sir? So, you really don't need a lot at all. Like, you don't need a lot. I usually take about this much. And then I'll split that in half. So I'll have one for each tooth. I usually just twist it to split in half. I don't know, I don't think it's not that important. You can figure out how to split dental wax, you infant. You're gonna take a piece of toilet paper or a Kleenex or like anything of the tissue sort, and you're gonna use that to dry off your teeth, because otherwise the dental wax isn't gonna stick. It's literally gonna do nothing. It's gonna fall off right away. But before you do that, you're gonna wanna like mold that in your hands. So you can, sir, you cannot be here. Disrespectful. Okay, you can't. Basically, just mold this in your hands like so until it's soft enough to use, because obviously if you use it straight, sir, I'm trying to film a video. Obviously if you use it right off of the little strip, it's not going to do anything. It's going to be like a block on your tooth, and we're not going for that. We're trying to make fangs. So yes. Okay, can I zoom in? Is that legal? Guess not. Oopsie, having this very attractive and sexy angle, even though I literally cannot see myself anymore, so I actually don't know if I'm filming the right thing right now. If I move down, is this better? Basically, take the toilet paper and dry off the tooth that you're gonna use. My mouth is tiny, so I use the second tooth next to the big ones so the fangs are more apparent. Alright, then you're gonna take this and just stick it on your teeth. Basically, just start pushing it on and forming it. That's also bite down like that as you're doing it, so you can make sure that you'll be able to talk and stuff. So I've got one tooth done, and now I'm going to do the other one quick, but this one I'm not going to be doing it in the close-up angle because one, I thought it was ugly, and two, you already saw how I did it, so yeah. Once you think that they're even enough, By the way, like, I'm gonna level with you guys. That's the hardest part of doing this, is trying to get them even. It's very difficult. Don't eat with these in, they will fall out and you will end up eating them as well, which, I don't know, doesn't say anything about not eating them. I know that they're safe for your mouth because they are literally meant to go in your mouth, but they're not going to stay in while you eat. And if you bring them to a con, they probably will fall out at some point or another. They're not super stable. I've had them fall out while I was making a TikTok before. Cringy. They're really not that stable, to be honest with you, because they're made out of dental wax. But this is the best method that I personally have found for making fangs, and you can also customize the size a lot easier then. I've seen people without braces use acrylic nails, and I tried figuring it out if I could like cut them really tiny and just glue the very tip on, but it just didn't look very good, to be honest with you, and it was just very difficult. So this is the easiest way. Obviously it's not perfect. It's dental wax, like it's not gonna stay forever. If you bring them to a con, I would recommend bringing extra dental wax, or even, well, I reuse my fangs. I'll just take them out and then I'll just set them down like on my bathroom counter and leave them there until the next time I want to use them. I'll dry off my teeth and put them back on, maybe remold them a little bit if I need to, but yeah, I reuse mine all the time. So I would either bring more dental wax so you can just make new ones quick at the convention, or bring more dental wax to make new ones, or you don't need to bring toilet paper, literally just go to the bathroom and reapply them. If you need to eat, take them out. It's literally just take them out and then put them back in once you're done eating. It's okay, I promise. Yeah, that's basically it. That's all I do to make my fangs. It's really easy, but I was getting lots of comments about it, like, whoa, I have braces too, and I was like, I use dental wax, and some people were like, can you show me how, or like explain better, and I was like, I'm very bad at explaining things, but I'll try to make a video. And that was honestly the main thing. I just got a DM earlier that was like, how do you make the fangs? And I was like, I should probably get around to making something for that because I want to, and I was planning on it. So yeah, that's how I make my fangs. I use them for toga, monokuma, anyone with fangs, as you could imagine. But yeah, I'll try to include some close-ups. Not a close-up of you, but